The population of Yemen is about 30 million. Over half of those people don't know where their next meal is going to come from. So what we've done here is set up a bread factory. Alhamdulillah, you can see behind me the bread factory in Maryam. And this bread factory, because of the population size, about 16 million of these people cannot get food and they don't know where their next meal is going to come from. We've had to be selective in terms of who we help. So as you can see here on the board, we have selected orphans, widows and people with disabilities because they're the most needy. Now I want to show you how this bread factory works. So if you follow me, we'll have a look inside, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Maryam. I'm within your bread factory, alhamdulillah, that you donated. And just want to show you again, I know you've seen this, but your plaque is here. But more importantly, I want to show you how the bread factory works. I want to show you how everything kind of runs smoothly here and how the workers are making the bread for the beneficiaries, inshallah. So we store the flour in here. So you can see this is a general storage for all the flour that everyone donates towards your bread factory, alhamdulillah. And this is where the dough is made. And it's just kneaded and put together and just put through the machine to make the right shapes. Then they're put into trays. They're put onto these trays here, and then they're put into the larger trays there, as you can see. And then they'll be stored for a short while, and then they will be left for a little while just to let their bread rise, and then it will be put into the oven and then ready for distribution, inshallah. So every single piece of bread, it weighs the same, it's consistent in every single one of our bread factories in Yemen. So every single person will get the exact same quality, which is the best quality, and it's all fresh, alhamdulillah. So we've arrived now in camp in Maryam. So just over here, you'll be able to see there are some mountains. And this area is called Sana, just over the mountains, where all these IDPs, all these children escaped and they flee to this area in Maryam. These beneficiaries are direct beneficiaries of the bread factory and the flour that you donate towards all of our Blessed Bakeries campaign. And alhamdulillah, I know I'm smiling in this video and I know the situation around me, it looks awful and it is awful and they're living in dire conditions. But the reason I'm smiling is because alhamdulillah, we just provided them with bread and it's amazing. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Maryam. I'm just here at one of the distribution points. I just wanted to show you, I showed you the process of inside the bread factory and how it gets made and loaded into the vans. Now I just want to show you how it's kind of distributed. So here you can see beneficiaries, alhamdulillah. And again, this is just to kind of give you an idea of how your funds will spend, because we really appreciate that you've donated to us, and alhamdulillah, may Allah reward you. And again, what more can I say? I can't say anything more, alhamdulillah, you can see.